Here we have a Brinks 527. This is a pretty heavy duty lock. It's got 6 pins, 5 spool, 1 regular if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember, it's been a while, but if it don't take too long to get open, we'll see. Serrated key pins. It's I don't know if I already said it or not, but it weighs like a pound. It's a pretty heavy lock. Really hurt if you hit somebody with it. There's the key.
Once upon another time, there was a fox, and he was called Jerome. He lived in the woods, in Elderberry Wood. His friends were Nicholas the tennis rat, and Dante the racist badger. They spent their days hunting down the lazy rivers of Cambridge Town. One day, whilst relaxing, he found a copy of Cheekbone magazine, and he read an article about London life. 3 weeks later, he was off his tiny face in a gay club. Woohoo! The fun times for him. But the party lifestyle took its toll. Eventually, he ended up on the streets begging for cheese in Dalston. That fox, my friend, was none other than me, the crack fox. Can I come in your house? You've been in my house.
It doesn't really work like that. I'll see you later, yeah? What are you doing? You just stabbed yourself in the leg with a biro.
Someone came in and stabbed me when you were looking away.
I didn't see anyone.
A buffer.
You can't speak like that.
It was a Nazi. It was a Nazi man. Oh, danger. Oh, take out the biro, sir.
I'm going now. Bye.
Okay, if you're going then, can you do me one last favor?
What?
Bludgeon my face in. You know me. Pull me apart. That soft bread. Punch me in the tits. Destroy me. Twist my head clean off. Put me to sleep with your kind boots, Mr. Fancy Man.
Alright, look, you can come in for 5 minutes, alright? For a plaster and a couple of...
Yeah, the false set here just wouldn't go away. There it is. Open. I don't know if anybody else knows this, but or ever caught this, but they used this lock in the first Saw movie. This is the lock they used to tackle the 2 guys in the bathroom. It was a Brinks 527. Both of them were.
It's alright, isn't it?
I'm going to take a look inside there.
That is disgusting. What is that smell? That is well wrapped. What's wrong with you?
This is my diet.
What have you been eating?
Told me.
Toothpaste. That's not balanced, right?
I did a video of this lock before, but it took a while longer to get it open than what it just did. It was back a few months back. I've gotten a little better. I pick a lot of locks, man. I just sit around and pick locks. I pick locks at work. I got lucky enough to find a job to pick locks, which was cool. There's the key pins. Dump them out so you can see the serrations on them. I still got the pins out earlier from the other video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tweezers here. It's spool, 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 and serrated. there's the key pins. I don't know if you probably can't see any serrations on them. Put up against there. No.
Degree Med response to increases in adrenaline.
The spool pins got serrations on them too.
Adventure.
I faced one of the toughest challenges of my life right here. I couldn't swim.
That's it.
But I can still hear my drill instructor today.
Peace out, y'all.